Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about the FlowGen. Actually we built the FlowGen for transforming your ComfyUI workflow and converting them into the web application. So it's a very simple description. So for example, this is my ComfyUI workflow, and in my ComfyUI workflow I have some input nodes, for example some boolean, some integer, some float, or some string parameter. And after that, I want to import and convert that ComfyUI workflow into the application. So it's very easy. This is the admin panel. And if I go into the workflow, okay, after that I can define a new workflow. So the workflow can run locally on your computer. You can run the FlowGen on your server, or you can run the FlowGen on internet with actually using the runpod servers or Amazon AWS. But now it's config based on runpod. For example, if I want to show you about one of the imported workflow, here you can see that you can define the name for your workflow, upload some thumbnail, and from here you can select your endpoint for processing, and here you can upload your API JSON file and your normal JSON file. Then it will detect all the parameters, and inside the form area you can define that which parameter could be seen, or what is the default parameter for that one. And also there is another part. All of this can be happening in about 5 minutes. We can connect the pipeline. So here in the pipeline we should define that what for example, what kind of input should go to which node, and it's some kind of connecting between the web request and also the API request. And finally we will upload the workflow into Amazon AWS S3 server, and then it's ready for preview. So in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes you will be able to convert your workflow into the web application. So in my workflow I had one node for uploading the image, and also I had some settings. So I can see all the settings here, define the value, and then I can click on generate. So totally and also there are much more actually options for drawing in Canva. I will show you in the next videos, but totally we built the FlowGen for actually make it easy. Make it easy for running your workflows on internet or on any other web application. So if you want to convert any workflow into the web application, you can use the FlowGen. FlowGen is a white label product, so you can buy the website and run it on your local host or on your host on any other part of the internet. So if you have any question, please contact me. I can help you. Thank you.